Hey you guys, so I haven't recorded in a minute, but we're here at Home Goods, and then like Tjmaxx is somewhere down that way. So I'm on the hunt for like a blanket and maybe some plates and bowls and stuff. Just really see what they have. I think they have a Dick's Sporting Goods in the area too. So I really want this blue Stanley cup. So I guess we'll see what we find at these stores. So I feel like Home Goods didn't really have that much of good stuff. A lot of Halloween stuff, but I'm not really interested in buying like decor and stuff for Halloween. So now we're on the way to Tjmaxx, which I'm really excited for because I know I'm gonna find a whole bunch of stuff there. We're going to Tjmaxx. Okay, here I found a True Religion purse. It's my first time seeing one of these purses, but really cute. Then I found a Dolce Vita purse. Y'all, I wish I could have got this. Super cute, but look at this price. Crazy.
Reads a story with his mama. Mama kisses baby's hair. Mama llama goes downstairs. Llama rip pajama feels alone without his mama. Baby llama wants a drink. Mama's at the kitchen sink. Llama rip pajama calls down to his llama. Mama says she'll be your soon. Baby llama hums a tune. Llama rip pajama waiting for his mama. Mama isn't coming yet. Baby llama starts to fret.
Okay, so I found a lot of clothes. We're planning on a trip, so I like this dress. I really like the color of it too, and it has like the cute little cutouts on the side. Y'all, this Tjmaxx had so much like skincare storage, so if you're looking for skincare storage, definitely check the Tjmaxx out. They have a lot of scrunchies here. Hey y'all, so it's a different day. We're at a different Tjmaxx. I have a ton of clothes to try on. We booked a trip to Puerto Rico, so I'm super excited, but I need clothes that I'm gonna feel sexy and cute in. So maybe I'll show you some of the pieces I try on. But yeah, I'm excited. Okay, so this is the first top. This is really cute. I'm not sure what bottoms I would put with this, but I really like how it pushes the girls up, and it's like almost like a denim material. I think I like this. Okay, the next one is a bodysuit. I don't know what pants I would put with this. I don't know what I would put. Here's this dress. Here's the back. I think I'm gonna get this one. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the mall at H&M. I wasn't really able to talk earlier just because the music in Tjmaxx was loud, and I don't want to get a copyright either, so but I did find a lot of cute stuff, and found a lot of cute stuff. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna keep though or return. So yeah, I'll show you guys like a haul video and everything. So yeah, let's go into the mall. All right, let's see what goodies we find. Let's see. I'm looking for swimsuits. That's kind of pretty. And I've already gotten distracted. What is this sparkly? This looks itchy. It's fun though. Y'all, look at this purse. Stop. I kind of need this. So I went to Tjmaxx a few days ago, and I wanted to show you guys what I got from Tjmaxx. So let's just jump right into this haul video. If you like hauls, any type of hauls, let me know in the comments down below. What's your favorite type of haul? Like, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. And yeah, let me show you guys what I found, because I found a lot of good stuff. Plus, if you didn't know, a lot of the stores, they have a lot of things on sale right now. They're all their summer clothes, bathing suits, all those things are going to be on clearance. So definitely be on the lookout for that, because they're bringing out a lot of winter stuff, even though it's hot as crap outside. Anyways, so I've already worn this, but this top is so pretty. It is a long sleeve button up, and it is from this brand right here. And I got a size large is what I found this top in, but I just thought it was really cute. I love the material. It's super soft, and then you can tie it up how you want, and also you can wear it as like a cover up, like going to the beach and stuff, is what I was planning on doing. We are going to go to Puerto Rico, so I'm really excited to pair this up with like my swimsuit and stuff. Another thing I found was some lashes. So I found this brand. It was $6.99. Comes with it's a 5-pack. So I thought they were really pretty. They are a clear band, and what I was thinking about doing is cutting them and then doing my own like lashes, how you kind of put them underneath and stuff. So I'm gonna try it before we leave and see if that works out. If not, I'll just probably try wear it as an actual strip lash. But yeah, these are really pretty. They're faux mink, and like I said, a 5-pack. Next thing I got was this top. Y'all see me put this on in the video. This one is an extra small, so it's just very compressive and stuff, but this was $12.99, and it has like little things in it for like a corset, so definitely is really nice. So the next dress, we have like a cowl neckline with the spaghetti straps, and in the back it has the 2 straps. This is in the way. It has the 2 straps. Super cute, and this was $14.99, and I got a size medium, and it fits me really great. And then I was talking to the lady who works there. She works for the jewelry section, and she was telling me about all the clearance for like swimsuits and stuff. She was like, yeah, we're bringing out all the winter wear, which doesn't make any sense because it's really hot here in Texas, but anyways, all their summer stuff is on clearance. So I decided to go check out the swimsuits, and I found this beautiful swimsuit, and I got lucky enough that they had the matching set, because I know sometimes when you go to TJ Maxx, you can only find like the cute top and it doesn't have the bottoms with it. So I'm really happy that I found the matching set. And then the straps, like the back of it is super long, so you can tie it around your waist and stuff. Really cute. This was $18.99. Here are the bottoms, and these aren't too cheeky either, so really pretty. And I found this Zara dress from TJ Maxx. I always love finding Zara clothes because you always get like a great deal, a great discount off of them. I do have to fix the straps on this one because it is a tad bit long on me. So in this size, I found it extra small. So it does run a little bit big, but I got it for $8, and it was marked down twice, so you can see there. But I just thought it was really pretty, and I love Zara clothes. So then I found some earrings from the jewelry section. Is this 3rd piercing right here. These are really, really cute. I love how they kind of dangle down, because I have like the 2nd jewelry that has like the little chains and stuff. And I just love the detail of this one, and it was $12.99, so not too bad, especially if you're a gold girl. Definitely go check out TJ Maxx to see if you can find these. They're at the actual counter where you can spin like the little wheel thing with all the jewelry on it, is where I found this one at. Then I decided to go to H&M, which I'm really happy I went there. It had, like, as you were walking up, the sign just said sell on it. So I went to the swimsuit section, and y'all, when I tell y'all that the bottoms were $3, tops are $5, and they had a lot of cute like swimsuits there, but I just decided to choose this one, something just super, I guess, basic, but I just love like the little detailing on the bra portion of like the little beads and stuff, and just very neutral. Y'all know I'm a neutral girl, so but this is really cute, and this wasn't in the sale section. This was actually supposed to be $20. And when I looked online, it said it was $17. But when I went to the cash register, when I went to go check out, I was like, can you check the price for me? And it rang up as $5. So don't be afraid to ask to see what the price is gonna come up, because they have a lot of swimsuits everywhere. And then I found these bottoms that were, see, marked down $3 right there. And it was originally $17.99. So this is like the time to really go out and find your swimsuits, either for this month or whatever, or for next summer. But I like the little details on the side of the little gold little things on here. Really cute. They do have the matching bottoms, but all they had was like this gold part and this little brown on the side, like on the straps of the bottoms, and I just wasn't feeling it like this one. I thought this one was like cuter. Okay, so the last thing I got from H&M was this dress. I went to the sale section, and it is another cow neckline with straps, and then it has the strap in the back so you can make it tighter and really cinch in your waist. And then the price for this one was $10.99, and the original price was $19.99, 20 bucks. And I found this in a size medium, and it fits really good. So and I love the color of it. It's really pretty. I feel like this is gonna go great like at the beach, or just going out and stuff, to dinner and everything. So really cute. I'm excited to put this one on. I think this is like one of my favorite pieces from what I bought, and yeah, I'm just really glad I went to H&M. So that was everything that I got from TJ Maxx and H&M. So if you guys once again enjoy this haul, please let me know. Any jewelry you see linked, especially this beautiful necklace. I think I've showed you guys before, but I'm gonna leave it down linked in my Amazon, or in my description box. It's from my Amazon storefront. Really cute, like really cute jewelry. I really love it. And I'll also link like my trending jewelry pieces that I'm obsessed with. So definitely check that out. But if you guys enjoy this haul, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video.